Have you ever wondered how Deel, the global HR and payroll platform, pays its employees? So you're not alone. Deel is a rapidly growing company with a diverse workforce spread across the globe. Understanding how they pay their employees is essential for anyone considering working with Deel or simply curious about their operations. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of Deel's payroll system, covering everything from payment methods to tax considerations. We'll also explore the benefits and drawbacks of using Deel for payroll. Deel's payment methods. Deel offers a variety of payment methods to cater to the needs of its employees worldwide. The most common payment methods include bank transfer. This is the most traditional and widely used method. Deel transfers funds directly to your bank account, allowing you to access your money whenever you need it. Local bank transfer. For employees in certain countries, Deel can transfer funds directly to their local bank account, eliminating the need for currency conversion fees. Payoneer. Payoneer is a popular e-wallet that allows you to receive and send money internationally. Deel can transfer funds to your Payoneer account, which you can then use to withdraw cash or make online payments. Cryptocurrency. Deel supports payments in select cryptocurrencies, giving employees the option to receive their wages in digital assets. Deel Card. Deel offers a virtual debit card that can be used for online and in-person purchases. This card is a convenient way to access your funds and make payments. Deel's tax considerations. Deel is committed to compliance with local tax laws and regulations. They work with a network of tax experts to ensure that all taxes are withheld and remitted correctly. This means that you don't have to worry about the complexities of tax filing yourself. Deel also provides employees with regular tax reports, making it easy to track your earnings and tax liabilities. Benefits of using Deel for payroll. There are many benefits to using Deel for payroll, including global reach. Deel supports employees in over 150 countries, making it a great option for companies with a global workforce. Compliance. Deel ensures compliance with local tax laws and regulations, saving you time and hassle. Ease of use. Deel's platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it easy to set up and manage your payroll. Transparency. Deel provides regular reports and updates on your payroll, giving you full visibility into your earnings and taxes. Customer support. Deel has a dedicated customer support team that is available to answer any questions you may have. Drawbacks of using Deel for payroll. While there are many benefits to using Deel for payroll, there are also some drawbacks to consider. These include fees. Deel charges fees for its services, which can be expensive for some companies. Currency conversion. If you are paid in a currency other than your local currency, you may be subject to currency conversion fees. Limited customization. Deel's platform is not as customizable as some other payroll solutions. Deel is a comprehensive and reliable payroll solution that offers a variety of payment methods and benefits to its employees. While there are some drawbacks to consider, Deel is a great option for companies with a global workforce that need a simple and efficient way to manage payroll. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.